Right, sorry about the lights going. Let me put it on a static colour. Let's put it on green, because that's more like daylight. Good evening. It is the 2nd of December, but it is Vlogmas day 3. We have Suki. Hello, Suki. Hello. Excuse me. Thank you. I have spent the day today, literally. This morning, because the gyms and everything are back open now, but where I am, it's still tier 3, so still not allowed to see friends or family or anything like that. But the gyms are back open, and if you know me, you know that I love the gym. So I was really happy actually that I could get back and do some cardio, because I have missed, like, I usually run or row or cycle, and I don't have a push bike at home to cycle, don't have a static bike either, I don't have a rowing machine, and I don't own a boat to do any rowing. And yeah, road running, I tried it once. It was very cold and I didn't like it, because where I live there's a lot of elevations and it's very difficult. I'm not used to running at an incline, so when I did do road running it was so hard and not enjoyable, so I just haven't done any sort of cardio since the beginning of our UK lockdown at the beginning of November. So I've done nothing apart from maybe the odd HIIT workout or some burpees or something, like a little bit of a circuit. So I was really excited to get back to the gym because I love it. It's my passion. What my art was my passion before I made it my business, and now fitness is my passion and being healthy. So yeah, I was really excited about that. And I was kind of yeah, really excited about that. So yeah, that was really exciting. I'm super duper pleased about that. It's really lifted my spirits, given me some extra motivation. I burned a ton of calories today, which I haven't been during lockdown. I've been working out, like I've been doing my weights and all of that, because I love to do weighted exercises over like cardio or HIIT or anything like that. Weighted exercises for me are what works best. And yeah, I went today and I just did cardio just because I could, and because I haven't done any, and I just burnt a whole ton of calories compared to what I have been burning during lockdown. So I was just excited about it, and I'm sure you can probably tell that my mood has just been elevated and everything, so super thumbs up. So I came home, and today I've actually went through my little in progress drawer, and I noticed I was going to work on the macaw and I was going to work on the leopard, but then tomorrow I'm at home alone tomorrow, so I can work tomorrow and I can record. So I thought, instead of recording today with Simon in the office, I thought I can record a whole bunch tomorrow, because those two are going out on a little adventure. So I thought that I could get a load of recording done tomorrow when I'm on my own. There's nobody around to disturb me. It's all nice and quiet. So that's what I decided to do. So in the meantime, I decided that I would start my long-tailed tit drawing. So I started it. I've actually put it away, and I shouldn't have, because I wanted to show you guys. I started it. I got back from the gym and started work about 1:30, and I started and I finished this drawing today. Like, who am I? Who knows? I was so amazed at myself. So I started at like 1:30. The outline was already done. The outline had been sitting in my drawer, I think, since August, September time, that this has been sitting in my drawer. So I didn't have to do that. So it's literally just the colouring part. And I started at 1:30 and I finished at 4:45. Just worked non-stop on this long-tailed tit. I had like Instagram breaks and all of that, but this is the outcome. I'm sorry if it's like shiny. Ooh, there we go. There we go. That's the finished long-tailed tit. How cute. I'm trying to get a good close-up of the branch and everything. There we go. So yeah, really, really pleased that I've managed to not only start but finish a whole drawing. I know it's not a very big piece, but still, yeah, that's one piece that I can tick off for next year's calendar already. And also I can start to turn into cards, prints and other things, which I'm thinking of making a Vlogmas video where we just focus on like getting artwork ready for print. So I'll like record my screen and then kind of talk you through the process as we're doing it. So I might do that with the long tail tip and get some stuff printed, some cards, a bookmark perhaps, and I didn't know whether to do like limited edition prints of that one either. But yeah, finished that today, so I'm super proud of myself. Also, I hope you're liking my glasses. I don't often vlog when I'm wearing glasses because of all the reflections, like my proper glasses. But yeah. So I just wanted to update you with that. I also did have a order arrive from, I ordered from Catnip. If you don't know Catnip, you probably do if you watch studio vlogs and you like them, but you'll probably have seen hers. But if not, I will leave her channel link in the description. But I ordered some of her, I actually ordered it the other day as well, some of her mouse mats. So I got this mouse mat, which is the Froggo and Bear, and also got a marshmallow one, which is around somewhere. But I decided to order the wax melt brittle that she has. So it's come in this super cute little pink box, and then I've got the thank you note. I've already opened this, so I should have opened it on the vlog. But I've got this little ginger and spice postcard with a little thank you note on the back. Come on camera, there we go. Yeah, so I ordered some of the brittle. I ordered the candy cane scent and also the gingerbread, and let me tell you, it smells absolutely delicious. Like, if you want some for yourself to help keep your house and everything smelling really Christmassy, completely recommend, and the packaging is just adorable. So I have had these arrive today, and I'm sorry I didn't open it up on the vlog. But I was just excited, and yeah, I was enjoying drawing and had like the angle set up for the drawing when this arrived. So, but you can see it now. So I'm going to put some of that on in the studio tomorrow whilst I am recording, and get everything nice and festive smelling. So yeah, but that is all I have to note for you today. I did actually make a Patreon rewards thing, so for the next 3 months I've planned out the Patreon rewards, and I'm going to order them as like a big print bundle, so I don't have to worry about what I'm going to send out in the next 3 months or anything like that. And I've also just made a to-do list for tomorrow as well, which is basically I need to record a tortoiseshell fur tutorial and also record the leopard. So those are my main 2 tasks for tomorrow, which you will see in not Friday, but it'll probably be Saturday for Vlogmas day 5, but it will be the 4th vlog because I've got a tutorial coming out on Friday. But yeah, that's all I wanted to update you guys on. I hope you're enjoying the Vlogmas so far. I've really been enjoying editing the videos that I have like pre-recorded and pre-edited for you guys. So yeah, let me know if you would like me to cover anything in any other vlogs or want me to talk about anything, and I will. But I will see you guys soon. Bye.